How to book a Lyft ride. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can book a Lyft ride, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to book a Lyft ride, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and launch the Lyft application. Make sure that the location is actually enabled so that Lyft can track your precise location, or else you can also simply choose to enter a default location by yourself by selecting the option called enter pickup location, and then you can simply enter your pickup location in this case. So let me also go ahead and then do that respectively. Once I simply search for my pickup location over here, I'll just simply select it, and then what I will do is I will select my destination, right? So I'll just go ahead and select a destination by searching for it. If you want to add multiple stops along the way, you can just tap on the plus icon right next to your destination. Now next time what you have to do is you have to simply select a pickup. You can see pickup in 4 minutes, pickup in 8 minutes, pickup within 19 minutes depending upon which time, and then you can also select Lyft XL or Lyft Black or Lux Black XL and so on. You can see the transit, you can see the car seat, and then you can see access, right? So all you have to do is you can also choose whether you want the transit or a car seat or whatever else that you prefer. And after you've done that, select the option called select Lyft and pickup within this much minute over here, and as you do so you can select confirm and request, right? All you have to do is tap on the confirm and request button, and right over here it'll ask you requesting for someone else. How would you like to pay? You can select bank account, credit, debit card, PayPal, or cash. In this case I'll just select the option called cash, and then after I've done that you can just select the amount over here. I'll just select an amount, auto refill or whatever. I just select the option called checkout, and now you can simply add your Lyft cash by selecting the choose payment method option and then adding a payment method, just hitting the purchase button to actually book your Lyft ride. And that's all it takes to request ride in Lyft. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.